YouTube, we back with another video. It's your boy LSP WAVY.
Never, you made this.
Alright, hear me out. I know some of y'all may think y'all know about the overwash method. Some of y'all may think y'all know where it came from. Some of y'all seen a couple waivers here and there say they overwashing because they did it 2 days, 3 days, or whatever. Here's the truth about the overwash method, alright? The first person I seen, it was a combination between Wavy Crockett and Overwinner, okay? I really don't know who started it. I don't know who dubbed it their method. Either way, we using it. It's the best method in the world to get your connections, your flow, and everything good on your pattern at the quickest way possible, okay? How do you overwash? Here's the answer, all right? Anytime you wash more than 3 times a week, that's overwashing, all right? A normal person who's not a waiver, they may only wash their hair once a week, once every 2 weeks, or whatever. You know, some people is a little bit nastier. They may only wash their hair once a month. Practice caution when you overwashing, okay? If you do it wrong, you could fuck up your hair and scalp, okay? So let's get that disclaimer in here somewhere right here. When you overwashing, you need to use the right type of soap, okay? You don't want to use a clarifying shampoo because a clarifying shampoo is going, damn, your boy ashy. Hold on. Let's a moment of silence for them elbows. Damn. We gonna get that. We gonna get that right together. All right? Yeah, we can't be out here like that. I seen one of my videos and my knuckles and shit was all ashy, and I was like, ooh, I hope nobody talks about that. But yeah, man, it's the luxury balm from my Fluffy Puffs. You can see that if it zooms in. Anyway, I use that from head to toe, hair, skin, and everything. We get them elbows right in order. All right, y'all not gonna have me out here ashy getting talked about. But that's neither here nor there. All right, use the right type of soap. All right, you want to stay away from clarifying shampoos. They're gonna strip your hair and scalp of all the natural oils and nutrients that your body gives you. All right, it's gonna take everything out. And it's gonna leave you a dry scalp because you're using that type of shampoo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in 1 week, and it's just too much for your hair and scalp to handle. All right, hear me out now. I'm gonna go real fast. I'm gonna talk real fast, but you might gotta listen real slow. Okay, but find the most all-natural shampoo that's a moisturizer and go to work as far as washing, doing a washing style every day until you're tired of doing it, all right? That's an overwash, all right? 3 times a week or just every day until you tired of it. I think the most I've done it was 30 days, 30 to 45 days straight over a month. Wash the style every single day, and then you want to do it on longer hair. All right, you don't want to do it on a fresh cut. That kind of defeats the purpose. You want some hair that you can move. If you got a flow issue, if you got a fork somewhere, you want to, dig into it every day. Because why? Because your hair is the most manipulative when it's wet. All right, so you can do the most to your hair while it's wet because it's going to allow you to do so, okay? I don't want to talk through the whole video. I just want to give y'all that disclaimer. Do not overwash with the wrong shampoo, and try your best to get a moisturizing shampoo, okay? If you don't, then you're going to have to add moisture thereafter, and that's a whole nother video of adding moisture after you wash and style. You're gonna have to get a moisturizer. You're gonna have to seal it in with an oil or a butter, and I'm trying to save y'all some steps, okay? You get you a moisturizing shampoo. You're not gonna have to do all of that stuff. You just unrag and bam, they go to silky dilkies. You feel me? Okay, enough talking. Let's get into this wash.
Won't let the past fly. All the tears I've shed, leaving them behind me. God damn it, Maverick!
Peace.